Hello, this is Aaron from AaronOnAutos.com. This is my daughter Heidi. Heidi and I and the rest of the family went to a car show up in Gering, Nebraska. And we looked at a whole bunch of different cars, and I gave Heidi a GoPro to walk around and record whatever she thought was cool. So now we're going to talk about what she recorded. So this is Heidi with her camera, and you can see her sister off to one side. That's Adeline looking less than enthused. And behind Heidi is a truck that she really thought was cool. This is a station wagon that I thought was really cool. And then this is the first car that Heidi filmed. So this is a little Sportster. What'd you think of this car, Heidi?
I thought it was cool because it was yellow and because of the way it was designed.
Okay.
And also, most of it's metal for some reason.
Well, it's a car. They're made out of metal. And
I thought the designs on it was really cool.
That's cool.
And the cover for the wheels.
Yeah. And I liked that this is the same company that made the Jeep. So it's a really cool car. It's been featured in a magazine. This is a VW Thing. What'd you think of this car?
I thought it was cool because Aiden pointed out that there was Halloween stickers on it. And it was orange. And also, instead of the engine being in front, it was in the back. That's why I thought it was interesting.
Oh, yeah. So this car is a Chevy Bel Air that was kind of done up. What do you think of this car?
I thought it was cool because of the way it was designed and because of the moon sticker down there.
Oh.
And also because of the way, the mirrors were shaped. And also, the fire frames on it.
Oh, what about this one?
I thought that one was also cool because of the realistic looking flames on there. And also because of the inside, it had no windows.
Oh, yeah, well,
I think they rolled it down.
Yeah, they rolled them down, but they took out the splitter, so it was really cool. I really liked the paint on that one.
Yeah.
And coming up, this is a Fairlane with the convertible hardtop, which was one of the coolest things ever. They didn't make it for very long because they broke a lot. What did you like about this car?
I liked it because of the inside and how the roof could pop off and stuff. And because of the back trunk, it was a good example on what you could put in there.
Oh, yeah.
Because there was some stuff in there.
And it had the big
also,
airbag for the roof to sit on.
Oh, yeah, that one. And I also thought that the engine was cool looking and how the top popped up so you could, see the engine.
Oh, yeah, it opened forward.
Yeah, it opened forward.
So this is a big Cadillac. This was a really pretty car. What do you think of this one?
I thought it was cool because of, usually all of the designs on it and stuff, and how it was, how it looked inside, the seats and stuff. It made me interested, and how the wheels were covered.
Mm-hmm. What was what did I tell you about this car that was a characteristic of it?
It was breakable.
I don't know. One of the heaviest cars ever made.
Oh, yeah!
Yeah, I remember that.
Aiden said it was the longest car.
I don't think so, but it might be.
Yeah, I don't know.
This is another Bel Air. What did you think of this car?
I thought it was cool because of the color of it was really bright, and I like bright colors.
Oh, yeah.
And also, the inside was surprisingly also orange.
It's in the classic red and white that Bel Air is most known for. It's the most common color, I think, that people use for this car. This is actually a 55. Most people think of the 57s. And then this, what did you think of this car, this little Ford?
I thought it was cool because you could literally see the engine.
Mm-hmm.
And also those, undetailed flames and stuff. And also the wheel, like not any other car, it was shaped like the wheels we have now.
Oh, Yeah, but except for the wire spoke things. Yeah, it was pretty cool. So this display is the recycling group in the area, showing all the stuff on a car that can be recycled. They turned the car sideways, so the kids were really fascinated with the underside of a car. What'd you think of this?
I thought it was cool because of how the thing was holding it.
Mm-hmm.
So then, and how it labeled everything.
Oh, yeah.
So then it made it useful.
You know what I thought was cool? I thought that this is the best thing you can do with a PT Cruiser, is recycle it. And you showed the sign, so it shows over here when you get to the sign, it'll show all the details. I liked that you focused on that so that people could read that. That's really cool.
I just saw you looking at it. I'm like, yeah, I gotta record this.
And then that's the Midwest Auto used parts that put the display on. Really cool. And then this truck was Heidi's favorite, I think.
Yeah, it was.
Yeah.
I thought it was my favorite because it was like an old-fashioned weird thing that carries all the cars and stuff with old-fashioned cars on it.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Which made it really classic to me.
Oh. So did you have fun at the car show?
Yeah.
Yeah? It was a good time?
The snow cans were good.
Snow cones.
I said snow cans.
All right. Well, this has been Heidi and Aaron from AaronOnAutos.com. Talk to you again soon.
Subscribe.